Let's solve this question. If 2x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 100, then find the maximum value of x square into y square into z where x, y, z are positive. So the sum of these three is given as 100, sum is constant, product is asked, and numbers are given as positive. Obvious thought is the identity AM is greater than or equal to GM, right? Arithmetic mean of some numbers x, y, z would be greater than or equal to the geometric mean of these numbers. Now, I have to manipulate this sum because I need the maximum value of this expression. Product is of x square into y square into z, right? I have to break this sum. This is 2x plus 4y plus 5z, and this sum is given as 100. If I take the geometric mean of these three numbers, it would be equal to x into y into z. Product of numbers would be 2 into 4 into 5 into x into y into z, but I need x square, y square and z square. So I have to, or this product is obtained when x is multiplied by x and y is multiplied by y and z. So I have to break this sum in 5 numbers. Yes, I can write x as 2x as x plus x. I can write this 4y as 2y plus 2y and 5z as it is 5z. It is equal to 100. Now these are 5 numbers. These are 5 numbers. Sum of these 5 numbers is constant, which is 100. So we can say the arithmetic mean of these 5 numbers must be equal to, because x, y, z are positive, so these x, 2y and 5z are also positive. So the arithmetic mean of these 5 numbers would be greater than or equal to geometric mean of these numbers. Now the arithmetic mean of these numbers would be x plus x, 2y, 4th number, 5th number divided by 5, because these are 5 in number. It must be greater than or equal to geometric mean. Geometric mean of these 5 numbers would be the fifth root of the product of these numbers, that is x into 2y into 2y into 5 times z. Now the sum is given as 100. 100 by 5 is 20. 20 is greater than or equal to fifth root of this expression, and it is 2 into 2, 4 into 5 is 20. 20 times x square into y square into z, right? Now if I take, or this is power, so let's just make this power 20 raised to the power 5 is greater than or equal to, if I raise this number to the power 5 and raise same right hand side to the power 5, it becomes 20 into x square into y square into z, because this 1 by 5 and 5 get cancelled. So I get 20 raised to the power 5 is always greater than or equal to 20 times x square y square into z. So from here I get the expression as x square y square z. The value of this product will always be less than or equal to 20 raised to the power 4, because this 20 cancels one power, so it is less than or equal to 20 raised to the power 4. Now what is asked, what is the maximum value? I know the value of this expression is always less than or equal to this 20 raised to the power 4. So the maximum of x square y square z maximum would be equal to 20 raised to the power 4, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 4, 16 into 10 raised to the power 4, and it is nothing but the 1,60,000. So correct answer to this question is option B.